Hello everyone, a quick intro into my channel. You're looking at my 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan minivan that I converted into a camper over the lockdown last year. I've received a lot of requests when I hopped onto Facebook and shared photos and videos of my van. Lots of people want a tour and just to see how the van works. So here I am. I decided to start a YouTube channel. So be sure to subscribe, like the video, keep in touch, and I am going to be doing a tour once the weather gets a little nicer, and I will show how the van works, how I built it, the befores and afters and all that great stuff. So if you'd like to see more of the build and any other builds I'll be doing in the future, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.